Hello YouTubers, once more. Uncle Pythagoras residing in. Today we are continuing with our cyclic geometry. Today we are going to do theorem 2. Those theorems need us to prove them because there is no other activity for geometry other than prove. So you prove the theorem, you use the theorem in the part of the activity. So I would love to start by theorem 2 today. Last we did theorem 1. Today is theorem 2. Theorem 2 goes like this. The angle which an arc of a cycle subtends at the center of the circle is twice the angle that subtends at the circumference. The angle which an arc of a circle subtends at the center is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference. At the circumference. The circumference of the circle. Right here you will be given, this is what I given, circle with center O, circle with center O, and A, B, and C, A, B, and C are all points on the circumference, are all points on the circumference of the circle. Full stop. You are required to prove RTP stands for required to prove that AOB is equals to 2ACB. Now let us draw the circle. The circle goes like so. There is your circle with point C here, point A here, point B here, right? Center O. This is what you are given. Then you will start by proving. Say proof. You start by construction. It is very important, grade 12 and grade 11, to tell the marker that you are going to construct. So you construct here in such a way that you join OC, O with C, and extend to end. So this is what you're going to do. You construct here. This is our construction. This is point N. Point N is coming here. N. Right, before we can continue, I would love to thank everyone who has subscribed for me. Uncle Pythagoras page is growing because of every one of you. I thank you very much. I just want to give you a briefing that Uncle Pythagoras has reached a geographic area of the following countries. South Africa has got 59%, Nigeria is 17%, Kenya is going to be 4%, and we are going to, I'm not going to call all the percentages, but I will just quote the names of the countries that are going along with Uncle Pythagoras. United Kingdom, Ghana, USA, Canada, Uganda, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Zambia, Eswatini, Poland, Lesotho, Botswana, and all the likes. In 29 countries that YouTube reaches, we have managed to conquer 25 countries. Thank you very much for all the communities of the Twitter family who has just joined and helped Uncle Pythagoras to grow. I like to mention the following, that we have moved from less than 200, it was about 100 watch hour. Now we are going for 600 watch hour. We need to have to complete 4,000 watch hour so that the YouTube can start monetizing. Thank you very much. Can you please do not skip the video when you're watching the videos? Do not skip the adverts. Just watch everything so that it will count on the watch hour. I would love to thank you once more. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my subscribers, and thank you very much, my guardian angel. Now, continue with this. We are going to start by statement. And reason. There is no mark if you only give a statement without stating the reason. Give us the statement and state what is the reason for you to state that statement. Before we can continue and do anything like this, I will remind you from grade 11, you have grade 11, grade 10, Yes, grade 11, grade 10, and grade 9. You have the situation whereby you have triangle ABC which is extended to D. Then they say to you angle BCD, which is this angle, is equal to angle A and angle B. The reason for that is exterior angle of the triangle. In other words, you say angle C, which in this case is going to be called BCD, is equals to angle A plus angle B. The reason for this is you say exterior angle of triangle ABC. This is the exercise that we are going to implement in this problem. Now let's start by saying this is O1, this is O2. Then you tell the marker that you are talking about in triangle AOC. This is the triangle that we are going to talk about, AOC, this one. Angle O1 is equals to angle A plus angle C. Let's see if this C does not, it has the compartment, O has got 1 and 2, C has got 1 and 2. Now we say angle O1, this one, is equals to this angle plus that angle, C1. The reason is the same as exterior angle of triangle. You mentioned that triangle, if you don't mind. It's not a question of you have a choice here. It's a question of you collecting all the marks. Do not lose any mark because of the lack of information. The triangle that we are talking about is triangle AOC. AOC. Right. But in the real fact, we know that OA is equals to OC. OA is equals to OC. The reason for that is they are radius. Radii now if we know that this angle is equals to this, we come to the isosceles triangle. That is isosceles triangle. If this angle is equals to that, this side is equals to that, then the base angle are equal. So we have this side equal to that side. So that means C1 is equals to A. The base angles of isosceles triangle. If C1 equals to A1, then you can say instead of A, we put C1. Therefore, O1 is equals to A. Instead of A, we say C1 plus C1. Then O1 is equals to 2C1. Let me erase this part. I was just illustrating the facts that we need to have known from grade 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now we're implementing it. Remember what you learn in mathematics, you carry it along, you don't forget. Then we come again to say statement. Due to the lack of space here, and reason. Then we tell the marker that we are talking about triangle COB. In triangle COB, O2 is equals to C2 plus B. The reason being exterior angle of triangle COB. Then we say, we know that C2 is equal to B. C2 is equal to B. The reason being what? Being that radii, if this angle is equal to that, because we said OB is equal to OC. C2 is equal to B, radii OA. OC is equal to radii OB. Then instead of B, we put C2 here. Then we say O2 is equal to C2 plus B. B is equal to C2. Then you say O2 is equal to 2C2. Now we can say O1 plus O2. O1 plus O2. Our O1 we have calculated to be equal to 2C1 O2 is 2C2. O1 and O2 is the same as angle O. Angle O is equal to C1 and C2 is the same as C. 2 angle C. Then we have proved that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. This is all the proof you need, grade 12. Just make sure that you practice everything. Make sure that you know all the theorems, how they come about, because the same way you prove the theorem is going to be the very same way that you attend your problems. I will take along with you so that you can understand how do we implement these theorems. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I thank you very much. I am so happy and content about my work. You make me happy about my work. You are very, very important. Your presence means a lot to me. Uncle Pythagoras signing out.